Isn't it spectacular that Andrew Holness became the chairman of Caricom? But before I continue, ensure that you like, follow, share, comment. I'm trying to create a community of well thinkers and I want you, yes you, to be a member of that community. But really, is it really an achievement? The way they're flaunting the articles, you would think it's something monumental, something that never happened before. But for those who know, you know that it's not really an achievement. It's a position that lasts for 6 months and it's a rotating position that rotates between all the leaders of the Caribbean countries, or rather the CARICOM countries. What are the requirements? Be the Prime Minister of one of the Caribbean, or rather CARICOM countries. So really, is it really an achievement? Portia Simpson Miller, one of the prime ministers that a lot of people like to flaunt as the Dunces prime minister, held the position multiple times. Edward Siaga held the position. Bruce Golding held the position. PJ Patterson held the position. Because again, the position requires you to simply be the prime minister of Jamaica. It's not really an achievement. And this is not me belittling. I'm just simply educating where I see fit, and I do not want it to be thrown around as if it's some monumental achievement, because it's not. It's not something that makes Andrew Holness stands out more than any other else prime minister in the past. It's just a revolving door of leaders of the CARICOM countries. And that's it. But hey, these are just my thoughts. What are yours? Share it in the comment section. And try and be nice, alright? We're Jamaicans first.